Hey, this is Jeff Wimmer from Studio Cycles and StudioCycles.com, and I'm shooting this quick video about the 2012 Star Trac Spinner NXT. These bikes tend to have internal chain noise. It's very, very odd and very irritating. We're here at we're on the property of The Biggest Loser. We built and tuned these bikes and installed them a couple months ago. Spinning.com and Mad Dog Athletics sent them to us because they knew we would do a pro build on the bikes. So this is just a quick video on developing noise that develops with the bikes after a month or two of use. So again, we're here at The Biggest Loser property, which is here. And these are the 2012 Star Trac Spinner NXTs that we built and installed. And what I'm going to show you is the noise that develops on some of these bikes. When you hear this noise on an NXT or a 2012 Spinner blade, you'll notice the chain runs through like a metal finger guard or tunnel. Now, one thing to make perfectly clear is that you never ever engage the drivetrain ever or work on the chain while the flywheel is in motion, ever, no matter what, and never leave a bike unattended with the chain guard off and the chain exposed. If there are kids, or if somebody decides to tinker with it or try to play with it, they could lose their fingers or toes if they try to ride the bike and slip. So never leave the bike unattended with the chain guard off, and never attempt to work on the bike with the chain in motion, ever. I can't make myself any more clear. So what you need to do is you need to examine the way that the chain travels through this finger guard, either on the top or the bottom. Follow the path of the chain, identify the noise, and that finger guard or chain, what I call it, finger guard tunnel, that needs to be bent and manipulated so that the chain will travel unimpeded and around the flywheel sprocket without whacking or dragging on that finger guard. So this is Jeff Wimmer from Studio Cycles, StudioCycles.com. You can reach me at 888-909-BIKE, 818-470-2204, or 310-664-1375 for a free consultation. We're the only company in the world that pro builds bikes before we send them. If you're a consumer, we do lifetime warranties, lifetime parts replacement. No one else on the planet Earth does anything else except process your credit card and send you a box. They have nothing to do with what's in the box. And if you have a problem and you call them, they will tell you to call the manufacturer, and so the fun will begin. What we do is we pull the bike, we tear the bike apart, we go through the entire bike, the bike is put back together, and I personally ride and tune every single bike that goes through my company doors. So this is just a quick YouTube video about the 2012 Star Trac Spinner NXT internal noise and what the potential cause and correction would be for that. I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to this, and best of luck to you on your road to health and fitness.